For Pakistan, the stakes couldn't be higher. The decisions made today will shape the nation's future. So buckle up, folks, because we're about to dive deep into the world of AI and explore how it's shaping the future of Pakistan and the global South. The journey is just beginning. AI and the Pakistani security puzzle, a new kind of threat? Let's be real. Pakistan's security situation is complicated, to say the least. We're talking terrorism, border disputes, and a tense relationship with our neighbors. These issues have been a constant source of concern for decades, shaping the country's defense strategies and policies. And, as if that wasn't enough, now we've got AI adding a whole new layer of complexity. This isn't just a minor tweak to existing systems. It's a fundamental shift in how security is managed